Hey guys, welcome to Exotic Cakes. Today I will be showing you how to make this moist and spongy vanilla mug cake. As you can see, this is perfectly baked. Now let's start making this vanilla mug cake. First of all, here I am adding powdered sugar or icing sugar 2 tablespoons. Next I am adding all-purpose flour or maida 4 tablespoons. Then I am using everyday milk powder 1 tablespoon. It enhances the taste. However, it's optional. Next I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 pinch of baking soda. Now mix all the ingredients well. Mixing of dry ingredients is important in the terms of baking. Let's start adding all the wet ingredients. Tablespoon of melted butter. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract or essence. Now we will add 3 tablespoons of milk. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar. Now start mixing all the ingredients. Here I have added 1 more tablespoon of milk to maintain the consistency. Your batter shouldn't be too much liquidy or thick. Here you can see the ribbon-like consistency. It's perfect for baking moist and spongy cake. For decorating, I am using 2 types of rainbow sugar sprinkles. Now give gentle mix. For garnishing, I have added more sprinkles on the top. Now let's start with the baking process. Baking performance will vary with oven brands. I am keeping oven temperature at high, that is near 160 degrees centigrade. Now see, the cake will be ready in a minute. Look, the batter is rising. Here, with the help of a skewer, we can check whether the cake is perfectly baked or not. Here, you can see the skewer is completely clean. Your perfectly baked mug cake is ready to serve.